Alright guys, time for a little head-to-head action. We got our HBXs out today. Lauren's going to take the 903A with our 2S setup. It's got a Surpass 2845 with an URGENEX 2200. We both have URGENEX 2250Cs, but mine's got a 3S, she's got the 2S, and I have the 2995. We're gonna get a warm-up lap here. We're just gonna do the outside ring, I think. Get yourself a warm-up lap there, Lauren. Chickens are out. How's the steering? Check your dual rate for your steering, make sure it's set. I don't know what we used it in last. Figure it out. So we'll do a best of 5. I will. All right, you ready? You call it. 3, 2, 1, go! What are you doing? Are you going slow? You got a problem? Maybe turn your steering down a little bit? Oh, you got it. All right, back in. Oh. Get out of my way. Oh, I'm stuck. Ooh, you almost got me there. So this is lap, we'll call it 3. Oh. Oh. Whoa. What was that all about? Go backwards. That was only lap 4. But yeah, I win. No. You're not a crawler. Yep. I am the champion. Oh. What was that? Those are chickens? They like you, Lauren. Lauren doesn't like the chicken. I don't know, we're playing. Never used to. Never used to. You want to try this one? Whoa, that was good. These are so fun. Yeah! You're back over. Alright, I guess that's where we're ended. Like and subscribe, guys. I won this time. You turned me off. What? Turning the cars off. Oh. You want to go on the front? On the ramp? Well, we'll run them till they die. Ah! Whoa! All right, let's start and stop. All right, we're gonna drain out these batteries on the ramp. See how good they do. Lauren just did this cool flip. Is that a piece? Oh, that's a piece of the Arma. I'm not surprised. That thing was in pieces when I was done with it today. But anyways, a little driveway action. Oh, is it still running?
Oh no, no.
Definitely got enough wheel spin now. When it was brushed, it couldn't do any of that stuff. Well, I don't think so.
Did it just turn off?
Probably just turned off. It's hot. That's fun. I'll try it now. You're always running into me. Yeah, definitely brushless for wheel spin on these ramps. I don't know if you guys saw our last one. Whoa, that was good. Grass is still a little long. Why don't I have steering? That was good, Lauren. Well,
Did your car go?
yeah. You're still going? Hit the jump a couple more times. Oh, the battery's dead. Okay, well, that's all we got for today. Hopefully you guys dig. Definitely free or brushless for the ramp. Oh, You woke her up. Get one more jump. Ah, it's dead. It's dead. We drained them. Like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. You can do it. I can't even get up the top. Oh, that's pretty good. Anyways, I'll see ya.